Hi everyone, welcome friends to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to block Facebook profile. Be sure, friends, put likes, write comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Well, let's get to our topic. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Then on the bottom right, go to the menu section. After that, at the top, tap on the gear to open settings. In the privacy settings, scroll down a little bit. You will need to find a section called Subscribers and Blocked Content. Click on it. And here you can see so many different sections that you can click on, who can view your profile, who can comment on your posts, and so on. You click on this section. And then you click if you have public, you can remove, for example, public to friends or just me. So you're already choosing the level of privacy that you want. After you are done with all sections in the subscriber and blocked content, go back to the settings and select also the section profile and tags. And here also go through the different items, and please turn on friends or only me. Also select the level of privacy you need. But if you want to completely block your Facebook profile, I recommend to select the section only me, so that no one can see any information from you or do what you do. I really hope this video was helpful to you and you were able to see how you can block your Facebook profile. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be sure to give it a like. Take care, friends.